So this is part 2 of Flosstube number 1. So as I was saying, all my finishes just stay in one of these zipped wallets. And this time, this video isn't live, I'm going to try it this way. So now, let me just see what next is my WIPs. So I will, let me just pull this back. No. Put them all at this side and I just grab them. So they all stay in one of these. So at the moment I'm changing them from bobbins to these. And all what I've done is used, that's what they look like before there. And all what I do, let me just grab something I can show you. Before, years ago, I used to work for a company that used to sell greetings cards. So I've got a load of these that say sampling. So I'm just using them. And all what I do is draw. So I'm not buying a cut. I was going to buy a cutter but I decided not to. All I do is draw around the inside of that for the to get the shape. And then that is the shape. Just a perfume top. Draw around that bit for the inside. So I've started making it. Let me just grab one smaller. It's not good. That one. So that's what it looks like. Cut round there. Hole punch. Try and get your hole punch to go in there. And then I just hole punch the top. I don't draw around the top. I was, but I thought just do 2 or 3 hole punches up there to make the circle and then the rings. So I've got some that size rings. And then, sorry, the rattling. I've got some that way, that size. Depending on how many flosses you've got for the project. So this one, let me just pull the front cover out. So it is Fantasy. So I started this when it came out on white fabric, and then probably October of last year I decided to, sorry I'm just folding it so you can see, to change it onto this fabric. So that is where I've got up to. So I'm doing that. So that's nearly page 1 done. And then I've started working on the side of the circle for January's circle. So that's one. Maybe I should put. So this one. What's that one? It's just that one's my fullest bag, and I could get the things back in. So again, hedgehog whip, and this matches this. The same designer, so you can see it says, I don't know if you'll see that, but it says Rendale Designs. Bottom of there it says Rendale Designs Hannah Dale, that's the person. So the WIP that I've just shown you, not this one. So designer is done on Jones. The needle minder is from, I've got it right down here. No, it isn't. This one is Planter Stitch. Most of my needle minders are from Planter Stitch. This one, I'm just feeling, has it got So that again, that's the needle minder for this one, and that's a planter stitch. Got a little bit of pen, I think. Yeah, on there, brown pen. So again, that is where I'm up to. So that's WIP number 2. So some of these WIPs I've not started. Yeah, this one is a non-start, but I'll show you what I'm planning to do. Paper. So this is one I plan to start as soon as I can. So it looks like a split camper, which I'm all for that one. Again, this looks like, yeah, 14 count blue. It's just a bluey colour, which came in the kit. So then I decided to not swap the fabric out. If there's any white fabric comes with the kits, I don't stitch on them. So the hedgehog one is 14 count, and the fantasy I showed you is 14 count. Right, where to go now? So this one is Christmas Home. I think it's designed by Doreen Jones, I think. I think it's a Doreen Jones one. I haven't got a front cover to show you, but this is on 28 count even weave, and that's all in. That is where I'm up to. Again, I started this when it first came out and hardly stitched on it. Not that I don't enjoy it, just got too many. And my plans for this year is to cut these by half. So Adventure Awakening, that one, not started it, which is going to be on this fabric. Not. I think that's 14 count Ada. Most of these will be 14 count. Right, this one I fell out of love with, so it went on. It was a UFO for a while, and then I'll show you. Is the Quotes to Live By. Again, my needle minder is from Planter Stitch, and you can see. And then this one, not the black one, but that one goes all the way down to the bottom, and I've started going, if you'll see, round. Try and fold them and put more back in the bags, otherwise, because these, I'm swapping these bags for either the zip ones, if I can feel it, or the ones with the press studs. Right, this one is the free one from Let's Side Crafts, and that is where I've got. So I've just got the border done, and that is on 28 count even weave, and that's already in a pocket. I've realised I haven't brought some of my whips are over at the other side of the bed. Which that one? Oh, I wrote this side behind me. So this one keeps going light and dark. I think I'll just show. As you can see, the light's changed again. So this is let me just try and turn it off there. Right, that don't help. Let's Live by the Sea. It's not a great picture. I started this in August. I only stitched about 2 days on this. And that is where I got to. I don't know if it's showing on camera, but it's sort of like a bluey purple fabric. Showing like grey, you can see the... And my needle minder again is from Plans to Stitch. Don't worry, they're not all from Plans to Stitch. Yeah, the rattling of me putting papers back. This one is what? It's the My Lady Garden. And I haven't got much, I've only got that done on that one. This needle minder would be from, I want to say, it's not Plan to Stitch, that one. It's from somewhere else, but I don't know where. Let's throw them on the bed, so I floor. This one is a kit, Margaret Cherry Christmas gift. The background has gone. Let's try. Sorry, I'm just going to turn. I'm going to put. See if this helps in anywhere. Sorry, I'm plugging. Don't know if that helps. No, it's worse. So, Margaret Cherry Christmas gift. And I have got up to, and put some on that. You'll see that. There's a lot of white in that. Again, stitched on white, but that was one of my first kits. Just the back stitching, and it's awful. This one is the Windowsill by Ship's Manor, and that is where I've got to. All my charts was on my iPad before, but then I decided to print them all out, so I'm working around when I want to stitch on one of these, or when I'm going to stitch on one, I'll print the chart out. Right, so this one is the insect, so it's that way. No, it's the other. I don't know which way it is, but that's as far as we've got on that one. I'm trying to run through this as quick as I can. This one is Fancy Butterfly from Fancy. Try it again. I've only got, and that's not showing up at all. Like hardly any stitches on it. Pumpkin Passport, and this one is from Lister. This needle minder is from Lister Sister, and that's as far as I've got on that one. Again, I did it on white but restarted it. This one is Cloud Factory's, is it Passport from the World? And I've done sort of like one. I just need to do the back stitching to say Venice on Venice. Yeah, and then that's Paris. So I need to do those. This one is Sizzling Summer by Tempin Tangles Designs, and that's as far as I've got on that one. Where's that needle minder from? I'll have a look. The Chanel one. It's from someone. And then this one is Once Upon a Time by Pumpkin Stitchery. And this is as far as I've got on one project, and I know, so I've got, that's as close, so no it's not, I've got another one by this that's nearly finished. So that's them ones. Right, these ones. Find on this one where I don't want to pull all the fabric out. To pull. So this one is the, I don't know if you can see that clearly. That one, again, Planter Stitch Needle Minder, and it is the Bands of Variegation, and that's Dylan Jones. So that one, I'm not folding, I'll fold it after the video, just throw it on my bed. Next one is another Buffy thread, and it's the camper. I don't know, it's not coming up clearly at all. I know what we're doing in this background again. And I have only got four stitches in. Don't know if you'll see that. But I only started this 1st of January? Or was it 1st? No, 1st of February I started this one. So it's only been going, I've only had it going 2 months. And that's only one day of stitching. Right, next one is Seasonal Streets. I did it on pink fabric, didn't like it, so I restarted it last week for Magical Stitches and Literacy Group, Litera Group, and I had to do 250 stitches, so that's 250 stitches, and obviously it's a new start for me, so I'm counting that as a new start even though I started it before. Once Upon a Time by KLT Charting, and I worked on this, so I did 250 stitches plus on this one, so last week. But next time I film my video, which I think this is going to be WIP's part 1, because I've got some over there and I've got some up there I'm not reaching for. So then part 2, and then I'll show you any that I've worked on for the week. And then, right, this one is 28 count, even weave, I think. It's not linen. I've never stitched on linen. It's 1/1 on 28 count, and it is the 2019 Linen and Threads Mystery. What's it? Mystery Sampler. So I've got January's nearly done. So that's my main. After so I just what was it? No, I just unzipped it and I just did some up. Oh, I forgot what it was. When you feel something on your toes and right. So this one is Santa's house. Oh, the lighting's changed again. We're back to normal. Santa's house by Tiny Models, and that is the picture. If I've got the picture, I'll show it. So it might be that next time the ones that, because I'm working through printing the charts off. And this is where I've got up to, and that again, that needle mind is the Christmas one, and it's planned to stitch. Well, I joined her and I've been in twice, a 6-month needle minder a month, and I've just got the last one, but I'm not going to sign up until I come back off my holidays, for money wise, or I'll decide when I sign up. So this is month 12 and this is this week's exclusive. The light's changing again. I think it's the sunlight and I ain't opened the curtains. I do go. I do swear. But I will try and keep it not. Right, this one I can show you the picture of the border. Because of the front. So that is Guardians of Notre Dame. And that's what a full floss with all the cards looks like. I do get tangled, well not tangled, but they don't get as lighting's changed again. Excuse this, next time I will not film near behind a window. Right, let's just turn it over. I tried to do that. And that is where I'm up to. So I've been concentrating this week on the border for this one. And that was the magical stitches. I think it's the sun going between the clouds. Or next time if I do film in here, it will be on when it's dark. Or not dark, but when it's a cloudy day. Right, so this one is Seize the Day by Caterpillar Stitches, and that's where I get up. I was a bit I'm still a bit concerned about the top bit, but I'm not bothered. I'll turn it, I'll frame it without a, so I don't see why not. I'll just frame it without a, you know, a mount when I do frame these one day. And my needle minder, as you can guess, is for plans to stitch. As I was saying, back to that story, rather quick. My plan to stitch monthly. I signed up for 2 months, so I've done 2 6 months. So you can either sign up for 3 or 6 at a time. Oh, this one is I have an F design, and it's the I'm not waiting for the lighter to change again. Is the mini white, and I've got that done. I'll try and get this sheet back in. So that is my first heavy mess design that I'm going to actually do. I've got charts on there before and then never committed. So this one is the rainbow feather black work design, and I've done the first one, and this fabric is like, I think I've still got a label on this one. It's from Chronic Alchemy and it's called Fruit Salad. It does look a bit like I think the fruit salad is in the sweets, when you got blackjack and fruit salads. I think that sort of colour. And the colours for this is absolutely gorgeous. I do like this one. This one has to be my favourite, but they're all nice. So they've done well at picking the colours for that. I think, let me see, that one is exclusive from Peppermint Purple. Never had a chance with her before, but I'll see how that goes. Right then, this is my last WIP, and then that's the end. So it is Under the Sea, and that is, just pull it all out, that is where I have got up to. Again, I bought this to go with the, but it's like coloured on, it's like a printed one, so it's like coloured on one side, then white fabric on the other, but it's okay. Right, so that is all my WIPs that I've got in reach. I've still got some back there, and I've still got some up there, because either I'm going to, what am I going to do with them? Oh, I was going to go onto the print settings on my computer where I can zoom in the chart, so maybe that's one sheet that I send you, I can get into 4, so that's why they're in a different space, so that they're not in my basket, my box. I'm not picking up. They're not in my box where I can pick them up and stitch when I want to do something with the chart. But that's it. So this was part 2. Part 1 will have been uploaded. Just move forward. Part 1 will have been uploaded, and I think this will work fine. So this time, instead of going live on part 2, I just clicked on the film video, and I think it will work well. Thank you for watching. I will see you all either in a fortnight. Yeah, in a fortnight. I'm going to do 2 weeks this time, because and then I can show you my other WIPs, and I've got some haul over there I can show you. But I will show you this one. So it's Little Frog, and I love one. So that's this month's, last month, because it says on the needle mind of the month 6, final month. So I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Leave nice comments, and goodbye.